Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to report rental income from Airbnb on TurboTax in 2025. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic, so let's just get straight into it. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do is to gather necessary documents. So go ahead and collect your Airbnb income statements and any other related tax documents. Once you have them, go ahead and log into your TurboTax. So sign into your TurboTax account and with your username, email address, and your password. And once you're logged in, you're going to select the tax year that you want to report your Airbnb income for. And next, just select rental income. So go ahead and choose rental income as your income type, and then select Airbnb as your rental type. So the income type is rental income, and the rental type is Airbnb. Next, you're going to enter your Airbnb income. So go ahead and type that in, including any payments received from guests. Once that's done, next thing you're going to do is to claim business expenses. So go ahead and claim business expenses that are related to your Airbnb rental, such as cleaning and maintenance expenses. Once that's all done, just review and submit your Airbnb income report. And once you submit it to the IRS, they're going to take it from there and settle the rest. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to report rental income from your Airbnb on TurboTax in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.